13 families, and we'll be paying tribute to them shortly within this bulletin. To another development of the day, from the man whose life elicited a divided feeling to a case of ill feeling over treatment of the ill. No patients seeking medical attention at the Nairobi Women Hospital will have their insurance provider pay their bills after all leading insurance companies suspended the hospital from the list of accredited service providers. This follows the allegations that the facility was exploiting patients for profit. NTV's Silas Apollo reports that the 17 firms say their move is a statement to all hospitals.
It has been written, whatever is done in the dark will eventually come to light, and light is not anything close to the allegations leveled against the Nairobi Women's Hospital, which stands accused of exploiting patients for profit. Now, insurers who end up paying more than they should for their clients have decided to take a tough stand. The 17 firms met and decided to suspend the Nairobi Women Hospital from their list of accredited service providers effective 5th February 2020. The Association of Kenya Insurers says the suspension follows an outcry from the public, who have accused the hospital's administrators of fleecing patients. The association says medical insurance companies' CEOs noted that there are several administrative issues concerning the hospital which disadvantage the insured customers. This, they argue, goes against the drive to ensure that customers get the best services at competitive rates. The suspension, they say, will however not affect insured customers already admitted in the hospital. Reports show cases where patients are either misdiagnosed, delayed discharge dates, subjection to unnecessary tests, and much more, all for profit. The insurance firm have written to their clients notifying them of the suspension, but the hospital's board says it has noted with a lot of concerns reports suggesting there is some systematic approach by the hospital to generate revenue from patients. It adds that although it does not believe that this is the case, and in fact antithetical to their foundational principles, they'll take this allegation seriously and are conducting an internal review, as well as cooperating with the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council in its own review. The announcement follows a series of leaked WhatsApp messages of administrators at the Nairobi Women Hospital, published on Twitter, showing how the hospital's bosses set daily targets for, among other things, the number of patients who should be admitted and discharged. The messages show how the hospital management monitored revenue, commissions, admissions and discharge numbers on a weekly, daily and even hourly basis. Patients who once sought treatment have painted a picture of an institution whose singular goal is to profit from its patients.
Hii hospitali wamenifrustrate sana. Maana kila mara huwa wananipigia simu wakiniambia hii pesa unalipa kwa mwezi ni kidogo sana. Lazima ujaribu kando na hii 10,000 utafute pesa ingine umalize hii deni mapema juu ulipoweka title deed utapoteza hii shamba.
The insurers say the practice is neither new and not exclusive to Nairobi Women Hospital, and it has become the norm in most leading private hospitals. They say that this move also serves as a warning to the hospitals, especially comes as the medical insurance business collectively made a loss of 1.1 billion shillings in 2018. Silas Apollo, NTV.